Let's make pineapple shira today. We are using the Rani pineapple, which is conical in shape. This is sweet and has less water content. Chop the pineapple, remove the skin as shown. Remove the eyes of the pineapple. Cut it in a slant manner so as to remove 3 eyes at a time. Otherwise, lot of pineapple will go waste. You can see how the eyes are placed and cut it accordingly. This has to be discarded. You cannot use the eyes. Now cut the pineapple into 4 parts vertically. Remove the center. That is hard and doesn't cook, nor does it taste good. Discard that stem. Now cut the pieces along the grooves that we have made in the pineapple. Chop them into bite-sized pieces. We will make pineapple shira using 1 cup pineapple and suji, that is rava. Use 1/4 cup ghee. Boil 3 cups of water. Add pineapple pieces, 1/2 cup or 1 cup as you wish. If you want more sweet, you have to boil the pineapple in sugar and water so that the sugar gets infused in the pineapple and it becomes sweet. I have used this directly. Now fry cashew nut and raisins in the ghee. Keep it aside. Add 3 cloves, 1 cup rava or semolina or suji. You have to roast this properly till fragrant. It should not become brown. Roast it on low flame. Keep stirring continuously. Add a pinch of turmeric for the yellow color. I don't like to add food color, that is why I am adding turmeric. Now add the boiling water along with the pineapple, with or without the syrup. Cook. Break all the lumps. Now you can see the rava is cooked. It is leaving the sides. Now add dry fruits and sugar, 3/4 cup, and 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. Cook till the spoon comes out clean. You can see the shira is leaving the sides of the pan, but still it is not properly cooked. You can see it is sticking to the spoon. Now it is coming out clean. That means the sugar is cooked. This is done. Perfect shira for breakfast or evening tea. Share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.